You open your phone. Someone you went to school with has bought a house. Another person is on vacation in Dubai. Another just got promoted. And then you look at your own bank account. You look at your own life, and a dark, heavy thought creeps into your mind. I am falling behind. You feel like a late bloomer. You feel like the game is already over and you haven't even started. But what if I told you that you are falling for the biggest financial trap of our generation? The people sprinting ahead of you right now are often running on flat ground, funded by debt. You feel slow because you are digging a basement. You are building a foundation. In this video, I am going to give you the exact 6-month financial blueprint to completely reset your life. No BS, no get-rich-quick schemes. Just a cold hard math of how to get ahead of 99% of people. Let's start the clock. Month 1, it's not about making millions. It is about stopping the bleeding. We call this the financial detox. If you feel behind, your first instinct is to buy things to look successful. You finance a car you can't afford. You buy clothes to impress strangers. Stop. The most expensive thing you can buy is the illusion of wealth. For the next 30 days, you go on an absolute spending freeze. If it does not keep you alive or make you money, you do not buy it. You're plugging the holes in your bucket. Cancel the subscriptions. Stop eating out. Take all that redirected cash and build a 3-month emergency fund. Why? Because desperation makes you poor. When you have 3 months of cash sitting in the bank, you stop making decisions out of fear, and you start making decisions out of strategy. Once your bleeding has stopped, we enter months 2 and 3. This is where you build the only asset that inflation cannot destroy. The immortal asset, your skills. Right now, you're trading time for money. It is the worst trade in human history. To escape, you need high-income skills. I don't care if you learn video editing, copywriting, coding, or sales. You need to pick one skill and lock yourself in a room for 60 days. This is the monk mode phase. While everyone else is out partying on a Friday night, spending money they don't have, you are at your desk. You are building a digital weapon. Society calls you boring. I call you dangerous. If you dedicate 2 hours a day to learning a high-leverage digital skill, within 60 days, you will be in the top 10% of beginners in the world. Now we hit months 4 and 5. You have stopped the bleeding. You have a valuable skill. Now, we build the infinite salesman. If you have to be awake to make money, you will work until you die. You must decouple your time from your income. Use your new skill to build a digital product, start a faceless YouTube channel, or offer freelance services online. You create the video, the code, or the product once, and it works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. This is called asymmetric risk. It costs you almost $0 to start a YouTube channel or an online business. Your downside is 0, but your upside, infinite. You are laying the bricks of an empire while the rest of the world is scrolling through TikTok. Month 6. You are finally generating extra cash flow. You are no longer surviving. You are attacking. Now, you must defend your new wealth from the invisible thief. Inflation. You take 20% to 40% of everything you make from your new income stream, and you lock it away. You buy index funds so you can own a piece of the 500 biggest companies in the world. You buy gold to protect your purchasing power. And if you have the stomach for it, you take an asymmetric bet on Bitcoin. You are no longer saving to spend. You are investing to own. Every dollar you invest becomes a tiny employee that works for you. They never sleep, they never take vacations, and they compound year after year. Listen to me closely. You are not falling behind. The runway to build a massive, wealthy life is simply longer than the runway to live an average one. The next 6 months will pass. Anyway, you can either be exactly where you and are right now, feeling broke and anxious, or you can be an unrecognizable, unstoppable machine. The choice is yours. Click subscribe if you are starting your 6 months today. I'll see you in the next video.